right, we have some special presentation this evening with a green building certification recognition. So, Mr. Rovanpera, are you helping with this? Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Now, Walnut Creek has a strong commitment to sustainability and conservation. As many of you recall, last October we held the Going Green Together Conference and Eco Fair, which drew close to 1,000 people interested in learning how we can save energy and protect the planet. Our general plan, 2025, has 23 policies and 58 action items dedicated to the environment and growing green. Our staff is currently developing a baseline of our greenhouse gas emissions in preparation for creating a plan to reduce the carbon footprint. So we're delighted this evening to recognize the completion of Walnut Creek's first, quote, green point rated houses, end quote, built by Mark Scott Construction. Now, I would point out that there have been some other individually built homes that would probably meet this criteria, but they had not been part of the Green Point rated program, and we're very pleased that this is happening here in Walnut Creek. Homes are evaluated on 5 different environmental categories, and that includes energy efficiency, resource conservation, indoor air quality, water conservation, and community. Some of the home green amenities include Energy Star certified furnaces and appliances, a sealed combustion gas fireplace that does not use wood, therefore protecting air quality. The carpets are made of recycled materials. Light switches with motion sensors that turn off the lights when the room is not in use are throughout the house, and drought-resistant landscaping outside. Now, we recognize that no one person, business, or agency can solve our climate challenges alone. It is going to take a combined effort and ongoing public awareness. That is why programs such as the Green Point rated homes are important. Tonight, I would like to present a certificate of appreciation to Mark Scott Construction for building the first Green Point rated homes in Walnut Creek. And I believe it's Mr. Ziegelbauer. Is that coming forward? Thank you. I'll make
So, I'm Ryan Ziegelbauer representing Build It Green, and I believe we have a couple representatives of Mark Scott Construction.
Oh, good. Can one of them?
If one or both of you want to come forward.
Yes, please.
So Build It Green is a nonprofit membership organization. We promote green building through various different programs. One of our programs is the Green Point Rated program, and Green Point Rated is a point system based on the 5 categories that the mayor mentioned. So I'm proud to say that Mark Scott Construction represented the 5 categories very well. And in addition to some of the points that the mayor mentioned, there are a few others that I wanted to point out. They actually diverted 80% of their waste, something that goes far above and beyond the 50% requirement by the state of California. They also used fly ash in the concrete, which offsets some of the CO2 emissions. It also creates a stronger, more durable concrete. The project is within walking distance from amenities and public transportation, and the home incorporated several measures that can conserve water, including a dual flush toilet. The Title 24 Energy Code standards, the Green Point Rated program requires at least 15% above the Title 24 energy standards, and Mark Scott Construction actually went 24% above that, so it's pretty notable, the efficiency measures in this home. The home scored 117 points. To put that in perspective, you need at least 50 points to have your home Green Point rated, and the median score right now is about 84 points, so they're quite a bit above the median. So On behalf of Build It Green, I'd like to present this certificate. This is the Greenpoint Rated Certificate to Mark Scott Construction.
And on behalf of the city, I'd like to present them with a commendation to Mark Scott Construction. Gentlemen?
We'd like to say thank you to the City of Walnut Creek for this recognition, as well as Build It Green, and especially Scott Harriman, who's helped encourage us to push this through and take it very seriously. And we've learned a lot doing it, and think that it's really been good for the city. So, thank you.